In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Shell fuel rewards at the pump. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so step number one is go to our participating Shell station. So make sure the gas station you visit is a participating Shell station that accepts fuel rewards. Step 2, insert or tap your payment card. So insert your credit debit card or use contactless payment if using Link and Save. Step 4, enter your Alt ID or swipe fuel rewards card. So Alt ID, enter the phone number linked to your fuel rewards account or swipe your fuel rewards card if you have one. Now the screen will choose how to use your rewards. So the screen will ask if you want to use all your available rewards. Select yes to apply all rewards and save more per gallon, or select no to use only your gold or silver status savings, 5 cents or 10 cents off per gal. Then begin fueling. So after confirming rewards and payment, start pumping your gas. You'll see the discounted price per gallon reflected before fueling begins. So keep an eye out for that.